when the world needed him the most. He was gone. Until now.
Haircut. Yeah, I need a haircut. Man, I can see the comments right now. They're like, yo, babe, wake up. Tris posted a video. They're like, yo, big bro, where you been? Where you been, big bro? I'll tell you where I've been. I've been busy. I ain't doing shit. But nah, I've been busy. I ain't doing shit. Nah, I've been busy. I've been busy, little bro. I've been cooking. I've been up to a bunch of stuff, bro. Let me show you. Alright, it's been a minute and we're back. I'm sure I will mess something up in this video as far as audio or something else goes, but with that being said, as the title says, got an unboxing. So Garrett hit me up back around the time of the X drop, which I don't know how long this video is going to take to edit. I got some goofs planned for it to put in the beginning, but apart from that, I had a big old package right here. I have not opened it yet. I'm excited to open it. I just got this today, so I was thinking about making a video for it and figured it'd be a good way to I don't know, a good comeback. I don't know, another video. I don't know, not really a comeback. Don't expect anything else after this. This is just kind of like a one-off. I thought it'd be something cool to do. But yeah, Garrett hit me up a couple weeks ago, asked for my address and size, which he's done a couple times in the past. Sometimes I get stuff, sometimes I don't. But he came through big this time. There's a lot of stuff in here. This is from the X drop, which I think I already said, which was restocking of the kills, all the other big X pieces, XXX Tentacion, all their old school like 2016, 2017 collabs. You got the Kill Hand, the Mickey Mouse stuff. They even did on Valentine's, they did the like heart on the back with the mugshot on the front, I think. But yeah, they restocked everything. Feels like, I don't know, maybe like 2 hoodies, a couple tees. I only gave him my top size, so I don't imagine there's gonna be shorts in there, even though there were shorts. But yeah, let's tear into it, see what's in here. Also, if you can see the rug in the background, shout out Revenge Gallery. He's the one who made that. Might make some more of those. Oh, okay. We got a inside the bag. we got another one. So let's see what's inside this one. Also, nothing else inside there, no stickers or anything. Not sure the last time they did that stuff was, but first item we got, oh, actually, he did send shorts, which is interesting because my top size is definitely not the same as my bottom size. So I have some XL shorts, but I did like these. I think forget what colors they were in. I think it was green, and then, you know, green and red, and I think they also had the red on red. And I almost copped the red on red, but the packaging for this is pretty crazy. I got Kill Hand exclusive stuff, and if you guys didn't follow this drop too much, they had the drop online, which was like a huge pre-order. They sold a bunch of stuff, I'm sure. They didn't really sell out of they didn't really like mark too many things sold out, but they did leave it in stock for a minute. So moving on to the next one, I got to peek at the third item too. So next one, we got the Young Bratz tee. I'm not sure what the actual name of this is. I think those are called like the Massacre shorts, but once again, you got the Kill Hand packaging, you got the Revenge lightning logo on the front, and then that little heart that I was talking about. So yeah, we got the tee, which got the Young Bratz cover on the front. X like beat up some dude, and then they snapped that photo. And then on the back, you got what everybody's been asking for years, the Kill Hand with some crazy puff. I don't know how well you guys can see from there, but hopefully the camera focuses. You can see the puff is huge on it. But yeah, we got that tee, and then moving forward, we have, oh, this is the last piece then. So we got 3 pieces. We got the Young Bratz tee, the Massacre shorts, and then we got a mugshot hoodie. And then of course, the mugshot hoodie has on the back, we got the big old Kill Hand. Man, this thing's hefty too. Definitely not like their old like Hanes blanks or Independent that they were using. So got that. And then we got, of course, the sleeve text, and I'm not sure if this is the same size as they did on the other ones, but doesn't feel puff. It might be, I don't know. When you do the like really thin printing, it doesn't puff a whole lot, so that might just be screen printed on. It's got a little bit of texture, I don't know, but the hollow lettering is pretty dope. So this is what we got, and let me try this one on at least, and then I'll come back and show you guys. I got a XL, which is what I usually wear. It is a little boxy. It's not cropped like the OGs, as you can tell. We got the waistband on it, but you could chop that off if you want. Fits very comfy. It's heavyweight. Sleeves are like perfect. Nice cups, nice quality. Especially for free, I really can't complain. So it's crazy that they restocked these, and I was getting comments like I showed in the beginning, people being like, yo, you gotta come back. And I thought about at least live streaming it, but the drop was while I was working, so it just didn't work out. But thank you for watching. If you guys are here, sticking around after all the years to check this out, and I hope you guys are doing good. Until next time.